look how natural this wig looks. It looks super natural and real. I'm sure a lot of people, when I wear this out, a lot of people are going to think that this is my hair, but it's not. It's a U-part wig from Alipearl. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sharon, and today I'm sharing with you this long, gorgeous, kinky straight U-part wig from Alipearl. For the best wig reviews and relaxed hair content, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also click the bell so you're notified every week when I upload a video. You don't want to miss it. So first, you want to subscribe, and second, click that bell. Click it, subscribe, and click it, subscribe, and click it. And while you're at it, go ahead and follow me on IG at Love Sharon Pratt. That's L-U-V Sharon Pratt for beauty, fashion, and lifestyle inspiration. Go do it right now. I'll give you a second. So this wig review is from Alipearl. I want to first start off by thanking Alipearl for sponsoring this video. If you don't know, I love a kinky straight unit, so I was so happy to review this wig and to share my thoughts of this unit with you. So make sure you check out Alipearl. I'll have all the information down in the description box below, as well as the direct link to this gorgeous unit. So with all that being said, let's jump into this video. Okay, lovies, so I have the wig right here. It is in this gorgeous hot pink satin pouch. So let's do an unwrapping. So as you can see, it says Alipearl. First up, we have the wig. We also got a few goodies. So some lashes, a wig cap, ooh, an edge brush, and a satin pink Alipearl head scarf, head wrap. So now let's see what this wig is looking like. I am so excited for this unit. I love a kinky straight unit, and I don't have a long kinky straight U-part or V-part wig. So let's see. Ooh, look at it. Super long. Look at the hair, it's flowing. Look at that texture. I love texture in my units. She is 22 inches long and 180% density, so she is thick, and I'm so excited about this. I am very excited. Now let's get into the construction of the unit. So the wig comes like this. There is like a band right here. All you have to do is cut that off. And now the wig is open. So you can see at the opening of the U-part is very thin, which is a great plus and perk, because usually it's very bulky and it has a huge weft. So this is going to lay flat on your hair, but it has 6 combs in total. So there are 3 along the opening of the U-part, and there 1 on each side, and then 1 on the back. They're also snap and close clips, so they will have your wig very secure on your head. And it also has adjustable straps, so you can adjust the fit of your wig. So as you can see, there is an opening, there is no lace. That's why this is a U-part wig. So let's style her and put her on. Okay, so as you can see, I have my hair in this little bun. Let's take it down. So I just have my hair braided all the way back. So I have already pre-sectioned my hair, and I'm going to do a center part, a middle part. So what I would recommend you do is to leave some of your edges out. So I did part my hair on the sides, and then of course I have hair out for the middle because I'm going to part it, and I want hair to cover the actual U-part, the actual weft. So I have a lot of hair out. You don't have to have that much hair. Okay, so if you're not familiar with a U-part wig or a V-part wig, all it is, it's a wig, but it doesn't have a closure. It doesn't have a crown. It doesn't have lace. It's kind of like a half wig, so you have to leave some of your hair out to cover the actual unit. So it gives it a more real, natural appearance. And that's what I like most about U parts and V part wigs, is that it does look natural and you get to leave out. If you don't want leave out, you don't have to, but you do have that option. The U part wig is very simple and easy to install. All you have to do is leave out some hair, clip in the U part wig, and you can flat iron it, put a little wax stick on it, and you're good to go. So it's very simple and easy to install. It's great for beginners. So this is definitely a wig you would need for the summer and just in general. You need a good U part wig and you need a good kinky straight unit because it just looks so natural. Okay, lovies, so we are all styles. I mean, do you see this hair? Look at this hair. Do you see the length, the thickness, the fullness? I am so in love with this kinky straight U part wig. I'm so excited to have this wig. I am going to be wearing this wig so much. Look how natural this wig looks. It looks super natural and real. Okay, so let's get into this wig review. So first, let's start off with smell. You guys know I'm always talking about smell of the wig. Does it have a smell? So you will be happy to know there's no smell. And I'm so excited about that. I don't like a smell in my wigs. Okay, so shedding and tangling. So I did notice that this wig does shed. It wasn't a lot, but as I was styling my hair, brushing it out, I did notice a few strands in my paddle brush. So the wig sheds, but it isn't a lot. Only time will tell with shedding. I haven't washed the wig yet, and I will co-wash this unit soon because I always wash my wigs before I install them. But I just wanted to show you guys how this unit looks straight out of the box. So let's talk about tangles. There were no tangles. This hair is super soft. This is a kinky unit, and I know all kinky wigs, sooner or later, they're going to probably tangle. So just be mindful of that. Just be careful how you care for your wig. Also, the nape area is probably gonna tangle or mat up. I don't really know. Let me not speak that on this wig, but most likely, if anything, it will mat or tangle in the nape area because it's summer and it's hot, and y'all, it be hot under these wigs, especially behind your neck. Like, it be so hot. So it might, but it might not. Anyways, it's like a cloud. It's just so soft. Like, this is how I would want my own natural hair to feel. Like, it's freshly blown out natural hair. That's what it feels like. So let's get a texture shot. So look at all of that kinky straight. What about the length and the density on this unit? I am so in love. Look at all of this hair. So I separated the wig into two, and this is all the hair. I mean, look at this. 180% density, which is a great density. So if you like full hair, you're going to love this wig. Super thick and full from root to tip. The length is 22 inches, so she is super long. So let me show you. So this is how long it is. Look at that. Ooh, she ready for the summer. What about the price? How much does this wig cost? So this same exact wig, 22 inches, kinky straight, 180% density. This gorgeous U-part wig is $244. So I have no complaints with this unit. I am in love with this unit. I know I am going to get my wear out of this unit. I did see on their website, this unit comes in different textures. So it comes in a deep wave. This is kinky straight. It also comes in curly, and you could choose different lengths. I think the longest length is 24. So yeah, you have your options. So the color of this unit is natural black, but I will tell you that this hair is dark. She is black. I'm not mad at it. I like black hair, but yes, this is some dark hair. Like, this isn't brown hair, it's black. Okay, so those are my thoughts on this gorgeous kinky straight U-part wig from Alipearl. Once again, I want to give a huge thank you to Alipearl for sponsoring this video. Also, make sure you go ahead and check out my description box down below. I will have all the information on this unit as well as the direct link to this unit. Comment down below and let me know if you own a U-part wig, and also, are you loving this kinky straight unit? Let us know in the comment section down below. Check out these videos next for more wig reviews and relaxed hair content. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and share it with